Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning class. Today we are going to learn 20 daily use English words with pictures and simple sentences. These words are very useful for beginners and can help you speak English in everyday situations. Look at each picture carefully, listen to the pronunciation and repeat the words after me. Let's start learning. Go. I go to school. Come. Come here, please. Eat. She eats an apple. Drink. He drinks water. Read. I read a book. Go. Come. Eat. Drink. Read. Write. She writes a letter. Sleep. The baby sleeps. Wake. I wake up at 6 a.m. Walk. We walk in the park. Run. The boy runs fast. Write, sleep, wake, walk, run. Happy. She is happy. Sad. He is sad. Big. The elephant is big. Small. The mouse is small. Good. He is a good boy. Bad. This is a bad habit. Happy, sad, big, small, good, bad. Friend. He is my friend. Family. I love my family. Home. I am at home. School. The children go to school. Great job! Today we learned 20 daily use English words with their example sentences. I hope these words help you improve your English vocabulary. Try to use these words in your daily conversations and practice them regularly. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more English lessons. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Happy learning!